Hi, I am Kacper and I'm an engineer at MTS Technik. And today I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit designed for Fiat Punto made between 2005 and 2018, Opel Adam, Opel Corsa C and E, and Alfa Romeo MiTo. This kit is available in two variants, street and stance, differing in the stiffness of the front springs. The front axle kit includes threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating with hexacoil adjustment nuts. The hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly improves the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The rear axle consists of sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke adapted for lower suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. Both front and rear springs are made by the German company eibach. These are progressive springs which provide maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. This kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. The kit also includes adjustment wrench, MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.